To record sonar readings, you must first install an SD card in your unit. Once you've installed the card, use the View button to go to the Snapshot and Recording View screen. Here, the controls work much like a VCR. Simply hit the menu button and press Start Recording to begin recording. While recording, you're able to view any screen you'd like on your Humminbird unit. You can use the Express menu to stop recording and make other video setting changes. The Sonar recording also includes all GPS and other information recorded by your Humminbird side imaging unit, so you'll have a complete picture of the location you recorded. You can also control playback speed and other settings. The Sonar video you record can even be viewed on the unit itself.